We are in a relentless pursuit of excellence, so everything we do has to be the highest degree. We're not looking to build buildings as cheap as we can. We're looking to build them the best way that we can.
Anything that we can do to make our pickers and packers' jobs easier, that's obviously the route we want to go. And with the crisper, cleaner light that we get from the lighting system here, that's a huge part in helping remove any roadblocks for them.
It seemed like the industry at that time was everyone was putting independent lighting controls on each individual fixture. So everybody out in the market kind of had a light, and they had a motion sensor, maybe a daylight sensor on it, and that light acted as its own independent lighting zone. We knew that that wasn't the solution we wanted going forward, so we met with Cree and we said, we really need to have an integrated lighting control system within their product to be able to use up here in Washington with the stringent energy codes.
ULINE's always been a really long-term and a big, important customer for Cree Lighting. They have a lot of fixtures and a lot of activity within the space. KBL is a great fit for the ULINE application as well as other warehouses because the KBL itself is actually a very highly efficient fixture. Once you actually implement the Simply Snap system into the KBL, then you open up a whole nother level of controls as well as being able to customize that fixture and how you use it for your space.
Recently, Cree Lighting reached out to us that they had a customer. They had some problems finding a wireless lighting controls solution that would suit their needs and requirements. So we worked to develop Simply Snap, which is that scalable platform that can scale up to 10,000 lights and manage multiple gateways from a single user interface and can also integrate in with a building automation system.
One of the things that I think is really cool about the system is you've got the ability to control any individual fixture. You can set up zones, you could group them. You can actually take advantage of the daylighting that's coming into the space, and you actually can do schedules and alerts.
The wireless control, from an energy savings perspective, moving from HID to LED ended up saving us about 50% on our energy. And then you get another 30% due to the occupancy control and an additional 5% for daylight harvesting. So you literally can operate these facilities at about 20% of the cost that we used to. And we actually see that.
If you think about coming to a facility, it's well lit, it's clean, you know what to expect every day. I think just automatically from that standpoint, you're already in a mood of, all right, let's go to work, let's get this done.
I couldn't be prouder of Cree Lighting. It's because of them we're here today with a partnership that we're now well positioned for the future.